Hello everyone! Recently, there is new progress in the overseas market of HVAC equipment. Decent Machinery has reached cooperation with a leading oil and gas enterprise in Abu Dhabi, UAE, and completed a benchmark project of customized explosion-proof HVAC systems for offshore drilling platforms. Now let's turn to the detailed report. This project is located on the offshore drilling platforms of Abu Dhabi with extremely harsh operating conditions. The platforms endure high temperature and intense sunlight all year round. Heavy salt fog and high humidity in the offshore air constantly erode mechanical devices. Besides, the whole working area is classified CT6 Zone II flammable and explosive hazardous zone. Standard air conditioners cannot meet strict anti-corrosion and explosion-proof standards. Long-term operation will easily cause equipment rust, pipe blockage, and unexpected shutdowns. To meet the client's strict technical requirements, Decent Machinery set up a special technical team and held dozens of online and offline technical negotiations with the partners' engineering and safety departments to solve four major problems: anti-corrosion, explosion protection, moisture resistance, and long-term stable operation. The customized explosion-proof direct expansion indoor units adopt 5 cm thick double-layer 316-liter stainless steel panels equipped with 50,000 mAh CT6 Zone II explosion-proof centrifugal fans. Built-in UV sterilizing devices can effectively prevent mildew and internal oxidation. The outdoor units are made of full 316-liter stainless steel with heavy-duty anti-corrosion coating, and the heat exchange fins are processed with special anti-rust treatment. Heat exchange efficiency is more stable than ordinary fins. They are fitted with reliable Copeland compressors with global after-sales service. The whole system adopts one on-duty, one standby, dual outdoor unit structure, dual redundant PLC control system, and 10 mm thick explosion-proof electric cabinet to ensure safe and stable operation. Strict quality control is the key to delivering high-end overseas projects. After production, the client cooperated with BV, an internationally authoritative third-party organization, to carry out full-range factory inspection. Inspectors carefully checked raw material specifications, explosion-proof structure, and all technical documents. Overall operation passed international acceptance standards. Apart from core explosion-proof air handling units, Decent Machinery also supplied supporting ventilation ducts, explosion-proof valves, and other accessories to realize one-stop integrated delivery. All products have been packed into more than 10 containers and will be shipped to Dubai way soon. The successful delivery of this project marks that Decent Machinery's explosion-proof and anti-corrosion HVAC products have made a major breakthrough in the high-end offshore oil and gas market of the Middle East, which fully proves Decent Machinery's strength in providing customized solutions for overseas projects.